We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it is time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 S 彤。
大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。最近有去注意到在农历7月的时候 which is the 7th month of the lunar calendar, the Hakka have this festival that goes on that's called 义民节，是不是？
义民节是客家人的庆典，
是吗？哈，那你应该了解咯。那跟我们解释一下义民节是什么？
好，来，在清朝的时节啦，台湾的民变两个平传，错嘛？佢所谓抵抗、保卫家园，当到客家人去伫个战争当中来过生。后来嘅人呢，然后佢到始终嘅埋起来，轮流嘅风范。佢说义民就係客家人嘅信仰，嘅義民廟更加係客家人嘅象徵。
So this is something that happened during the Qing dynasty here in Taiwan, and the Hakka people wanted to defend their villages and their families, of course, and unfortunately a lot of them died, and now they have this the Yiming festival, and of course it's to pay respect to those ancestors who died in this tragedy. Let's teach people here a few words about this festival. 首先义民节怎么说呢？
义民节。
义民节 Okay, that's 义民节. That is the festival we're talking about. I understand there's an activity where people use water lantern, 有所谓的水灯，是不是？
不用水灯。
不用水灯，
放水灯，
放水灯 okay.
放给它流走。
So they put the water lantern on the river top and let it float. There's something really funny, and it's called the 神猪敬重，是不是？
死太祖啊，神猪。
死太祖。
我不是骂你死大猪。
对啊。
死太祖。
死太祖是什么？
死是杀。
杀抬落去哦。
嘿啊，死太祖，可是这些都是神猪。
神猪是不是？
哦，他们专门养这些猪来比赛的哦。
哦，那为什么要杀它呢？
拜神啊，拜义民呀。
Okay. So during this festival, there's a very, very interesting activity that goes on, and it's called 神猪敬重, which again Hakka is 神猪比赛. And basically what they do is they have what they call spiritual pigs, and these are real pigs. Every year they try to raise the pig so it becomes the heaviest of them out of all. And the heaviest pig is the honored pig, and unfortunately the honored pig needs to be sacrificed. So there you go. If you see that next time, don't be too scared. It's actually a festival that's going on. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.